Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove Dodge Charger door panel. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts. Remove visible screws in the armrest and door pull, then pry trim clips gently with a plastic tool. Disconnect wiring for switches and speakers, label connectors, and peel back the water barrier slowly. Keep fasteners organized and test functions before reassembly. Start by locating and removing all screws in armrest and pull handle areas using the correct driver sizes. Pry the lower panel edge gently with a plastic trim tool to disengage clips without scratching paint. Work around the perimeter to free all fasteners, then lift the panel slightly to clear the door lock knob and hinge area. Store hardware in labeled containers so reassembly is fast and stress-free. After loosening the panel, support its weight and locate the wiring harnesses behind speakers and switch clusters. Depress connector tabs and pull straight to avoid bending pins, then label each plug with tape for quick reattachment. If a connector is tight, wiggle gently while pulling perpendicular to the harness. Place the panel on a soft surface to prevent scratches and verify all clips are released before fully removing it from the door.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.